I'm interested in a Power BI course, so I go for searching the institution and what are the courses giving the Power BI. So one of the course institution, AllPro institution training center. That training center giving the wonderful learning for me. The trainer also is good, and that group also, the training also is giving a lot of information to me. So thank you so much for wonderful learning for me, and I have a lot of learning and lots of questions I have. So I'm asking to my trainer also. The trainer also giving the explanation, example, and a lot of information to give it to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for AllPro training institution, and same my trainer, my coach Deepak also. Thank you so much.